he gave you a test about
Yes.
the material, the pattern recognizing, right? For the
Yes.
pattern of something, making the general rule for a pattern, something like that.
Correct. Hmm.
Okay. Oh. Did your teacher give you any homework?
No.
No, yeah. Okay, okay. Uh, did you want to learn about new material or you want
Yes.
to, huh?
Yes.
Learn new
Yes.
material, or did you want to learn about questions in Bebras?
You.
Huh? New thing. Okay, okay. If you insist, okay. Let me think for a while. Let me think for a moment. What kind of material that you learn? Yeah. What about we learn about? Mm,
Mister.
what was it?
Yeah. Did you know about those weird math questions
What
that
was it?
goes
Which one?
like for example, Jane has 1,578 friends and has 1,578,98 apples. How much apples does each one have? Like, how did he get that many friends or apples?
Well, a lot of math questions, if you think it in the real world, it's kind of impossible. That's why maths is wildrous, I would say. Yeah, it's adventurous because it seems that it cannot be happen in the real world. But well, we just assumed, we didn't bother on how it can be uh,
Oh,
exist in the real world, but we just think about the concept. Okay. Okay. After a moment of thought, let's learn about more about algebra. Algebra. How how's that sound?
okay.
Okay, algebra. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Let me share my screens. Okay. Okay. Maybe before we go into the algebra thing, I want to test your multiplication again. Yeah, because it's the fundamental part of doing algebra. Yeah, you cannot do algebra if you don't excels in your algebra and your divisions and something else. Okay, let me test you with some questions. What about 10 times 12?
Sorry?
10 times 12?
Oh, 10 times 12.
Yeah,
Uh, what's the name? 120.
120. Good. 15 times 7. 15 times 7. Bex. Ayo. 15 times 7. Ayo, come on. Do it quick. Come on.
70. No.
70. Still not correct.
It's, what's the name?
Come on, Bex. You can
It's,
do it.
uh, 70.
70. Really? Again, yeah? So,
Wait.
15 plus 5 plus 2. 15 times 5. 15 times 2. This is
I found it. I found it.
what was it?
105.
105. Good. You get 75 plus 30. This is 105, yeah? What about 12 times 7? 12 plus 2, okay?
Oh my god.
12 times 5, 12 times 2. What is 12 times 5, Max?
Okay, 12 times 5 is 15.
Mm,
15 times 5, 12 times 5 is 15 times 5 minus
mm.
3 sevens. So 3 sevens,
Three sevens.
14, 21. Okay,
Mm,
so 105 minus 21, 84. 84.
80.
4.
4. Really? Facts. Oh,
Yes.
this is the final result, yeah. This is the final result. Okay, the final result. Yeah, this is 60 plus 24. This is 84, yeah. This is 84. Okay. So, okay, what about 100, 256 divided by 14?
Oh, division. Mm,
This is just a little bit of a hint. This is the result won't be a good number. Yeah, so I think there will be a fractions of it. I'm sorry, not a fractions, decimals. There will be not
wait,
decimals.
decimals?
Yeah, there will be decimals on it.
Wait,
So I suggest that you
I.
choose one of
How do you
the.
divide with decimals? Oh, wait, yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
mean the
yeah.
result. I mean the result will have decimals on it.
So that means it will have a remainder.
Yeah, it will have a remainder. Yeah, you can do a lot of methods. Yeah, to approach this problem. Yeah, there will be method like this.
14. What's 14 times 10?
14 times 10. What?
140.
140. Yeah, it's obvious.
140 times 2. 280.
280.
280.
Yeah, it's bigger than 256. So, no, not 20. It's not 20. It has to
Okay,
be
so not
below
20.
20.
18. 18. 18.
18.
So that means remove 28 from 280.
Good. Yeah, good.
Can you write that down, please?
Okay, okay. Right what?
Write down 280 and 28.
280 and 28. Yeah.
Okay,
252.
that'll be good enough. So that means it's 18.
18.
Put an
Yeah.
18 on the top and do a 252
2.
at the bottom of 256.
18. This is 4 and 14. Right?
No, it's 18 times 14.
18 times 14.
14
Oh,
times 18 is
okay.
252
Plus
plus nothing.
plus nothing. Really?
Yeah, 18 times
What about the
14.
decimals? What about the decimals? This is 252, right? We want the inside
We want to
inside.
divide though, right?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So the result will be
18 times 14, which is 252. 256
oh no
minus
no. I what I
252.
meant what I meant is the result of the divisions.
Oh,
So that's why it's kind of no, the result won't be a good number because
wait. Come back
250.
again. Don't, the thing that you deleted. Okay, so in order for 252 to become 256, the 2 must add up with a 4 to become a 256. So that means 14 divided by 1 or what percentage of 14 is 4?
Yeah, therefore,
Let's see. Uh,
you can do this method, right? This, what was it called? I don't know. Like this method, 256, and this is 14. Let's start by 25 first. What is the nearest integer that can we approximate 25? The multiplications of 14. Can I times 2? Can I multiply 14 with 2? Is it more or less than 25?
14 times 2 is 28. Yes, you can.
Ah, okay. Hmm?
Hmm?
Is it larger or smaller than 25? The result of 14 times 2.
Smaller.
25 with 28.
Oh, 28.
28 is small. Is larger, right?
Small.
Therefore, we cannot use 2.
Bigger, 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 bigger.
Yeah, bigger. Therefore, we cannot use 2 as our uh, multiplier. Yeah, so we have to choose below 2. Yeah, which is 1, right? So 1.
But what is 14? What's the half of 14?
Oh, it's a 7, right?
7.
7.
7.
Huh?
Okay. So 1.5, no, 14 times 1.5
1.5, yeah.
is,
21.
yeah, 21. 21. Yay.
Ah, okay. I see where you're going. Okay, okay, okay. But uh, let's start from the very basic, yeah, okay? So we use 1 as our multiplier, so this will be 14, right? 14 times 1 is 14 times 1 is 14, and this will become 25 minus 14. Bex, 25 minus 14 will be
25 minus 14 is
mm,
11. No.
this is 9, right? It's 9. So 9, can we divide 9 with 14?
No.
No, so we have to take this 6 from the upper here, from the upper part to the below here. So 96. So 96, I think we cannot divide it with 14, so the result will become a decimal
You know you
point.
can just do, wait, 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 wait.
Hmm?
You know you can just do you can just do 14 times 10, which is 140.
Yeah.
256 minus 140 is 96.
Ah, good one, good one. Okay, so it will be uh,
Just it's still a 1.
still
Or
what?
is it? It's still a 1 because it's a 10 and the back of it is a 0. It can be filled up with something, but later if it isn't filled up, then it will be a 0.
Okay,
But in
okay.
this case, no. Don't fill it up.
Yeah, okay, okay. So, mm,
14. I know something. 14 times 3 will be a number with a 2, right?
yeah.
So, yeah, 32. 14 times 3 is 32. And
14
32 plus
times 3 is
32?
32. 32 or 42?
32.
32? Really?
Ish, I think.
Do it again.
14. 42.
Yeah, 42.
Wait, 42? I thought if it was 32, it can be 32, 32, 32 to 96. But it isn't. It's
It
40.
isn't. So let's try to divide 96 with 14. Okay, so the largest integers that we could choose with 14 is that let's try 18. Let's try 8. So 14 times 8 will be 14 times 8 will be what, X?
Okay.
I'm sorry, not 8. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think it's 17. Sorry, sorry.
No, no, no,
It's
no. No, it's more. No, it can't be. It's more than 96 because 4 times 8 is 32.
Oh, I'm sorry, Bex. I do a mistake
Yeah,
here. 256 minus this is 14, right?
yeah, that's become 11, right?
11. Yeah, 11. And then we add 6, right? So that's why we choose 8. 8 will be, yeah. So 14 times 8,
It will be. Well,
112.
yeah, 112.
Yeah, that's why. Okay. So minus 4. And then it's the remainder is not 0, right? So our what was it? Our division is not done yet. Okay, so we have to add another. We have to land another 0, and of course add
Do a point thingy.
point. Yes, point things. Yeah. Okay, we add a comma here. So 14, 40. Bex 40 with 14.
Wait. Last time we did 14 times 3. How many is 14 times 3?
14 times
14
8.
times 3? No. Don't do it because last time 14 times 3 is 42. Bigger
42.
than 40 by a 2. So it will be 14 times 2, 28.
28. Good. So we choose 2, right? 28. Good. So this will become 40 minus 28.
Okay, it will become. Wait.
40 minus
Uh,
28.
what's 20 minus 3? Wait for a second. 12.
12. Good. Yeah. Okay, let's just leave it as it is, yeah. So we'll be just done on this result. 18.2, yeah. Of course it's not ending yet. Yeah, I think
Wait, 256 cannot be divided by 14.
what was it?
256 cannot be divided by 14.
256. Yes, it's not divisible by 14. Yeah, you can count it on your own. Yeah, if you try multiply 14 times 1, 14 times 2, and so on. Even though it looks like it can be divided by 14, but it's not. Yeah. Sometimes math trick us into thinking the wrong thing. Okay, 18.2. Okay, I think we'll be done on the multiplication and the divisions. Okay, let's talk about the
Oh,
algebra.
wait. I just remembered something. Come back to the division thingy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Uh, I remember something.
What did you remember?
I remember that I learned how to divide these with thousands of numbers.
Thousands of
Like
number.
100,000.
Yeah, good. And how is it?
And I could do it. But I
Good.
forgot how to do it. The trick.
Mm-hmm. Did you still remember? Maybe a glimpse of it.
It is my math subject for my math subject at uh, the school last year.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember it now though, but do you know?
I still don't have a clue. Maybe if I get a little bit of the information about the method, I think I would remember about it. But I still didn't know which method is that you refer. Is it the what was it? Yeah, I forgot. Sempoa? No, yeah.
Hmm?
I think it's not Sempoa. With the I forgot.
No, no, no.
It's not Sempoa.
The method isn't Indonesian.
Oh, Indon.
The
Oh,
one who
oh,
the one who taught us was a Canadian.
Canadian. Okay, interesting.
It's more like an international method.
International method. I still don't have a clue. I still don't have a clue. Maybe I'll find out about it later. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to the
Yeah.
algebra then. Okay. 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 You have learned about what is algebra, right? I have told you a glimpse of it about algebra. What is algebra, Vex?
Algebra is
The study
a
of what?
set or a genre of math questions
The genre.
that involves with one or more numbers that is hidden and is not known of.
Yeah. So it's the study of or maybe the branch of mathematics that learn about finding the unknown, right? X. For example, you have an equation, you have an x in it, yeah. So you have to find the x, yeah, which is the hidden number, right? So, uh, for examples, this is just for examples, yeah. For example, if I have an equation 2y equal to 5 will be equal 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. What is the value of y? What is the y that we can choose so that this
3.
equation to okay 3.
Yeah, y is 3.
Okay, let's check. Yeah, if y is 3, then 2 times 3 plus 5 will be
Wait, what?
this
Oh,
one.
this one. Oh my god. My math teacher keeps confusing me with these, with like y as in 2 plus 3, not as in there is this much 2's, and the number of that much is a y currently.
No. 2y is
Uh,
2y basically.
yes. So that
2
means
times
it's
y. 2 times y.
okay. So this one is kind of hard.
Kind of hard.
So
Okay.
it will be 2 times 2 is 4, and we need a 1. So that means it's 2.5. The y is a
2.5.
2.5.
Good. Okay. Now, that means you're brute force, right? To try. Okay. For example, you propose the y is equal to 2.5, and then you try it on the equation, right? That's your method, right?
Not really,
Oh, not really. Okay.
because I know that 5 because I know that 10 is equals to 5 plus 5, or else if it wasn't 5 plus 5, it
Mm,
needs more than one number.
good.
So
Yeah.
if there was a 2 and there was a y, it can't be 2 times 2 because 2 times 2 is 4 and
But
2
2 plus
times 3
5
is
is equal to
6.
9, right? If you choose y equal to 2, that means 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 5 equal
Yes.
to 9. We want it to be 10, right?
Yeah, so I made it so that 2 times 2 is still 4, but I needed a 1. So it's 2.5 because
Mm,
5.5 is
good.
half of 2, which
Oh,
is
I
1.
like your approach. Yeah, I like your approach. Now, okay, maybe it's good for the beginning. Yeah, I think you get the intuition on how to do
Yeah.
algebra. But if you
Not for
are
big numbers.
yeah, it will be complicated if you are being presented with huge number, for example, thousands or maybe millions. Yeah, sometimes we'll meet a million in such equation. Yeah, this is what we call as a, oh, maybe it's not a linear equations yet. Let's just call it, this is an algebraic expressions. Yeah, that means you have one unknown and one equation. That means, can we solve it? One equation, one variable?
Yes.
Yes, that's why. Okay, so here's the thing. You can find the y by manipulating the equation. Okay, so can I, okay, remember, yeah, we just want to change the form of the equations. We did not want to change the value. So the next step that we must do has to be equal with the previous one. Okay, so if I subtract both side with minus with 5, can I do it? So 2y, so 2y plus
Yes.
5, this is the beginning, right? But I
Yes.
subtracted with 5 minus with 5. Is it still the same thing, or this is still the same
Oh,
thing, right?
okay, 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 okay. I see what's going on right now.
Yeah.
So this time it's 5. 2 times 5.
Good. So
Do
this
you
will
know why?
be 2y
Because two y equals
5.
5.
Yes.
Because if 2.5 equals 2 times 2.5 equals 5, then 2.5 times 2 equals to 10. So that means 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 5 is 10.
Good. So the y from here will be, okay, you have 2y equal to 5, right?
Yes.
Now I do the same thing again. So I divide both sides with 2, or it is just the same as multiplying both sides with a half.
Yes.
Yeah, so this will be y equal to 5 over 2. You see that we don't change the value of the equations. We just manipulating it, because in the end, minus 5 with this minus 5 can cancel out each other, right? Actually, yeah. So it will become the original equation again. This a half also can cancel out each other. So we just manipulate the forms. Okay. Another example, yeah, Bex, yeah. So I change the variable now. Okay. So it doesn't have to be y. You can choose any random letter that you wish, even a Greek letter. Okay, let's try a Greek letter, yeah. Okay,
Again.
again, of course. Okay, did you still remember about
Wait.
this? What is
Alpha.
this?
Oh, wait, that. Oh, no.
What is this?
That's what's the name? The something with a E. Like, uh,
Mm,
uh,
what is this,
uh.
Bex?
Hey, I wonder why does no one use Korean alphabets or something for my
Well,
algebra?
well, the Greek letter has been around for much longer years than Hangul. Yeah, Hangul is
Delta.
invented.
Delta. That's Delta.
No, not delta. It's not delta.
Does it have an E
It
in
begins
the
with a T.
first?
It begins with a T.
Oh, no, 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 no. What I mean is, on the first conjunction, does it have an E?
The No, it doesn't.
So it doesn't sound like a sound, right? In the
No.
first one. Okay. Uh, for
L. Yeah.
Teflon? No, no, not Teflon.
No, no, no. It's a. It's a it's a it's a kitchen tool, Max, not a Greek letter. T. Okay, surrender.
Paris?
Did you give up? You give
No.
up? I'll give you another 10 seconds. Yeah, 10, 9,
Terpa.
8, 7, 6,
Terpa.
5,
Terpa Delta.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's
Terpa.
up. No,
No,
no.
that's not Terpa.
The name for this letter is theta.
Ah?
Theta. Theta. Theta.
Ah?
Theta.
Ah?
Theta.
Theta?
Theta.
Theta?
Yeah, in English
Ah?
it's theta. In Indonesian pronunciation,
Thetas?
theta.
That we.
Theta. So this is 3 theta. Okay?
I thought it was 3 equals to theta.
No, 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 no. 3 times theta. Okay? If I don't write the symbol of the operation, that means multiplying, yeah? Of that is the consensus in mathematics, yeah? So that's why if you go to the higher level of mathematics, we won't be writing multiply with this. We don't use this, yeah?
Because in algebra the x can
Yes.
become a letter.
Yes,
So it
that's why.
becomes so
Because
it's an x there's a number that is hidden sandwiched
yeah.
between two numbers.
Yeah, yeah. Imagine you have a test questions about a bunch of long algebra, and then you mix x as a variable and x as an operations. It will be confusing, yeah, to see a bunch longs of equations mixed up between the which one is a variable, which one is an operations, yeah. So that's why we replaced it usually by a dot. So 3 times 5, or in uh, much more simpler form, it will be 3
Cool.
to
Cool.
5 like this. Or in the context of variable, we don't write the like this. We don't write it like this. 3 times theta. No, this is will be confusing. So
3 dot theta.
yeah, but it's not. If we deal with variable, usually we don't use theta. We don't use dots. Also,
Oh yeah, and by the way I found out about it. 3 thetas is 15.
3 theta is 15. What? No, 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 no. Theta is just a variable. It's just a variable.
I
It
no.
Yeah. So the
There's 3 thetas. And from what I see, you put 3 times 5 in right next to it.
oh no,
And
no.
the only hidden
This is
number
just
is
example.
5. So that means there's 3 thetas and each theta is 5.
I'm not done yet with the equation. Okay, I'm not done yet. Okay, let's ini ya. Let's see, yeah, with the questions, yeah. I'll give you a much more complex example. So if I have you learned about the exponent, by the way, Bex?
The what?
Exponent, pangkat. 3 pangkat 2
Pangkat?
pangkat. Have you heard about, or maybe exponent, or maybe what was the name in
I don't
exponent?
know any of the names unless you show me
3
what it
square,
is. Then I know.
3 square.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. The 3 on the top or a 2 on the top.
Yes, the subscript. That's what we call as a subscript. 3 subscript 2.
Like, for example, if there is 6 cubed, it means that it will be 6 times 6 times 6.
Yes, 6 cube. Yeah, 6 cube. This is just the same as saying 6 to the power of 3. Oh yeah, to the power. That's what I meant. Have you heard about to the power of 6 to the power of
Yay.
2? Ah, yeah, okay. Okay, so if I say that theta squared, what does that mean, Bex? What does it mean?
There is theta times theta, which in this
Good.
case would be 45.
No, no, I haven't gave you any equation. You cannot just
Bisa-bisa yang masuk 45 dari mana? Tadi kan soalnya mama nggak ngeliat sih, tapi tadi ada ininya itu 3 kali 5 Di bawahnya itu 3 theta. Dan tetanya itu 5.
I never gave you any questions. Okay.
Tanya 5 pun nggak salah dong jawabannya gimana sih?
Hah? Kan 3 kali 5.
Ya enggak lah, kan itu kan pangkat.
Bukan tadi sebelum itu udah di erase.
Tetap aja salah.
Apa
Kalau
betul?
tetanya 5 berarti kan 5 kali 5.
Itu kan sekarang. Tadi itu ada 3. 3 sama theta. Dan bawahnya itu 3 kali 5. Dan juga 3-nya itu yang di atas, yang nomornya yang ke hidden itu cuma 5, yaitu adalah palingan adalah theta-nya.
Ya berarti kan tetanya 5. Kalau tetanya 5 ya berarti nggak salah dong kalau itunya tetanya kamu bilang 45.
Itu kan soalnya itu theta.
Ya pokoknya intinya tetap salah, dengerin
Itu
katanya.
theta square. Dan itu 5 kali 5. 5 kali 5 apa?
25 lah.
25.
25 bukan 45. Kamu bilang 45
Kan
tadi.
tadi bilangnya 25.
Enggak, kamu
Iya.
bilang 45.
Enggak.
45 bags. I have the record. I have it on record.
Iya tuh. Udah salah motor.
Okay, bags. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah. Okay. So theta squared. This is what we call as an exponent. Exponent or to the power of. Okay, so there's a lot of term. There's a lot of synonyms in mathematics. So this is you can call it to the power theta to the power of 2, yeah, or you might call it as well as theta squared, yeah. So there's a lot of way to
Wait a
say it.
minute. That's theta. With the first conjunction, there's an E. There's an S sound. Theta.
What was it?
I was correct. It has an E for the conjunction. It says theta. E.
Yeah.
Theta.
Well, but the pronunciation is T. Oh well, maybe yeah. I don't really.
Conjunction means something like, if you say theta, it's more like a right?
Well, Indonesian pronunciation will say it as a theta, but in English it should be theta, right? If I'm not mistaken.
No.
I don't really recall
Theta
about.
is if there's 2 E's, like meat. 3.
Sudah. Fokus.
Okay. Okay, theta square will be just the same as theta times theta. Yeah, or maybe theta times theta. Okay. Don't write it as theta theta. This will be confusing. Yeah. So you have to use dot. Yeah, because well, you have to wise in using the dots and the when to use a dot, when to don't use the dot. Yeah, I think you'll get it later from your experience with the algebra itself. Okay, theta squared. Okay, so what about if I gave you uh, 3 theta squared plus 5 equal to, for example, 79. Not 79.
Ah,
Maybe let me choose
75.
80. So this is kind of a mixed up between the collaboration, yeah, between algebra with exponent with the power of. Okay. So what is the value of theta that you can
Wait for a
use?
second. Hmm. Okay, what plus 5 equals 80? 75.
75. Good. Okay. Let's start from the
Then
process, yeah.
75 divided by 3.
Good. Yeah. So 3 theta squared. If you can, if
75 divided by 3.
yeah, okay, 75. Okay. So theta squared will be,
What?
you have 3 theta squared equal to 75. So what will be, we have to isolate the theta so that the theta will be on itself.
Wait, I want to break it down a little slow
Oh,
because
okay.
first, that is 75, and 75 divided by 3, that means that number multiplied by 3 will be 75.
Yeah, so 75 divided
That
by 3.
number will be theta squared. And then later, that number is in half, and then it becomes a theta. Then
Okay,
later, we
so
will know what
what?
theta is.
Okay, so you have to find the 75 divided by 3 first. Okay, what is 75 divided by 3? Again, division backs. That's why
Wait,
I'm
let's do it
always.
easy. Let's do it easy. We know 15 is equals, 3 times 5 is 15. How many 15s will get us to 75?
Hmm. How many?
30, 60.
How many backs?
Okay, this is 15, 30, 60, 75. 5.
5.
5.
So theta square will be. So in
5.
total. Hmm. Really? 3 times 5 is 15, not 75. You said it right. We have to find a number
Wait.
such
Oh,
that
5 times 5. What's 5 times 5? It's 25.
good. So theta squared will be.
Theta squared is 2050.
Hmm. 2050.
25.
25. Good. Theta squared will be 75 divided by
Not
3.
25.
Yeah, 75 divided by 3 first, okay? We do it by step, okay?
Equal
25.
theta.
What is the number squared will be equal to 25?
It will start off with a 10, 10 to 12.5.
12.5 to the power, not multiply. Remember,
Yes, 12.5. 12.5 to
12.5
12.
times 12.5 will be 25? Really?
Tapi tadi udah
No way.
dijawab tadi. Tadi masa?
All right. It's not. It's a huge number, more than 25s. So make sure.
Oh, because it's not a theta times 2, it's a theta times a theta.
Yes, that's right. So you have to find a number. If you multiply it with each other, it will equal to 25. What number it will be?
Iya, jangan. Berapa kali berapa sebelumnya 25?
Can you start with 1? 1 multiplied
No,
by 1?
definitely not 1.
Ah,
Let's
okay.
start from 6.
Kenapa 6?
Okay, let's try.
Astaga,
Let's try.
pokoknya jawabannya udah jelas itu ya Allah. Astagfirullahaladzim.
Kalau kita mau yang jawab.
Malu mama, Bes. Kali-kali dulu. Mulai dari 1 tuh. 1 times 1 berapa? 1 times 1 berapa, Bes? Masa dihitung 1 times 1?
Bukan 1 times 1 ini.
Mulai dari 1. 2 times 2 berapa?
Enggak, bukan itu. Beda lagi.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 berapa? Dikasihin clue masa nggak ngerti ya Allah. Astagfirullahaladzim. Dihitung. Tak.
4 times 4.
No, not 4 times 4. It's
4
16.
times 4 berapa?
Same thing.
Hah?
16.
16. Terus 5 times 5?
25.
Hence, the theta will be, okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. So theta is equal to 5. But, but, if you think it very, if you think it more deeply, is the solution is just equal to 5, Bex? Is there any number again? Yeah, you can choose any
No.
number. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and don't forget about the negative number. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Can you find a number in that realm? This is we're talking about the realm of integer, right? Integers can be positive number, can be negative number, and also zero. We have find the positive value that can be fulfilling this condition. What about the negative number? Is there any negative number? If we multiply it by itself, it will be 25. That's the trick here. Let's start from again minus 2, minus 2. Let's start from the minus 2, okay?
I still don't understand for that one for the new one. I don't understand it. What do you mean?
Can you find a negative number if you multiply it by itself? For example, minus 1 times minus 1 equal to,
Oh,
can you find a negative number if you
minus
multiply?
1 times minus 1 is 1.
Yeah, good.
So it's minus 5.
Minus 5, that's right. So there are two solution, right? It's not a single solution. That's why it's kind of counterintuitive at the beginning, yeah? Counterintuitive because one equation, again, you only have one equation, right, Bex, in the beginning,
Yes.
but you can have two solutions. I mean, two possible value for one variable. Yeah, of course, yeah. This is
So that means both of them are correct.
both of them are correct. That's why. That's here. That's the thing. So so the theta is equal to also equal to minus 5. There are two solutions for these equations. This is what we call, usually this is what we call as a quadratic equation. Did you know why they name it quadratic equation, Bex?
Because there's quad there's 4 answers,
Or four answers?
multiple answers, quad.
Yeah. For more exactly, two answers. Quadratic means square. Square. Yeah. Quadratic equation is an equation.
I was more thinking as in squad ratic.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Square. Maybe I don't really remember the story behind it, but quadratic usually means a square in mathematics. So quadratic equations, if you go to the power of 3, cubic equation, yeah, a cubic equations, and then more and more it will be more equation, yeah. But usually this is what we call the quadratic equation because it has two solutions on the equations. It has two solutions on the equations. Okay, I'll give you another example, yeah. If I gave you uh 5, we'll use alpha here, yeah. Alpha squared plus 25 equal to what about 205. 205. So, what will be the answer, Max?
Mm, so what else? Oh, 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 oh.
We do it by step, yeah? Okay, let's start with the first
205, right?
steps.
That's 205, right?
205,
Not 25.
yes.
Yeah, 205.
Let's do it
Okay.
step by step, yeah. Okay, remove the 25 first. How we should be removing it? How can we remove it, Bex?
Wait. I got an idea because 25 has a 5 on it, and that 5 can become on the 205. So that means it's 100 something plus 25 equals 205. And I
Mm-hmm.
know for a fact that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that means it will be the 5 alpha 2
5
will
alpha
be
squared.
alpha squared
Yes.
will be, what's it? Will be 80.
Mm-hmm.
100.
180. Good. Yeah, okay. So we do it by step, yeah. 5 alpha squared.
180 divided
Yeah. And then minus 25 both side, yeah. Minus
180
25.
divided by 5.
This will become 5 alpha squared equal to 180. And then next step.
Bagus nggak sih?
Itu batik maksudnya itu.
What is the next step?
Is 180 divided by 5.
Okay,
Also
so
known as 5 times what? There are 5 times 80 for. I don't know. Can
180.
5 times 18?
5 times 80. 80 is too large.
No, no way. It can do 15. It can do 15. So it will be a 3. It will be a 3.
Mm.
But to make
Can I
15
change it
into.
to can I change it to be this way? So 180 can be 150 times 30, right? You divide it by 5. And this will become just the same as 150 divided by 5, 30 divided by 5. Now, 150 divided by 5 will be, this is much easier, right?
Mm,
45.
30.
Oh, yeah, good. 30. And 30 divided by 5? 30. Yeah, 30. 30 divided by 5.
30 divided by
This is, bro. This is easy lah.
30 times 5. 5. 6.
6. Good. So this is much easier rather than experimenting on, what was it? Random number, right?
30, 36.
36.
36.
So you have to find a solution for these equations. Alpha squared is equal to 36. What is the value of alpha squared equal to 36? What is the alpha so that
Mm,
we can find that if we insert it into the equation, it will be 36.
let's start from 4 because I know 4 is bigger than 36.
Oh,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
I
Four
mean, no,
square,
no,
four
no.
square, four
Because
square.
if we start from 3 or less, it won't be because even 3 has a maximum of 30.
Mm, mm,
Oh,
mm.
wait.
Is it?
It, it's 12.
Alpha equal to 12?
Oh,
No.
wait, what? No.
So the alpha
Wait,
will
wait,
be
wait. So, 36 is. What did I just do before?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I don't know what are you talking about earlier. Like, huh?
Oh, 36, 36, 36.
Yeah, 36.
3, 3 times 2, I mean 3 times 12 equals 36.
Yes.
Why did I do that?
Yeah, why did you
How
do
the
that?
hell?
This is power, right? To the power. You have to find a number. If you multiply it with each other, it will become 36. 2 times 2, 3 times
Wait,
3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6.
I did say something about what's the name? So,
Let us just
so
thinking
we,
about the what was it? The positive value first, yeah. Let's start from the positive. You, as I said earlier, this
yeah, that's
equation
what
has
I'm trying to do.
yeah, this has two solution, right? So uh just start from the positive first, okay?
Mm, so, okay. As I said before,
Yeah.
more than two times. 3 times 12 is 36. But
Yeah.
how will I get from there? What
Remember,
did I do? What did I do last time?
you have to find a number. If you multiply it by each other, it will become 36. Start from 2. 2 times 2 is 4.
2 times 2 is. Oh, that's what we did. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
that's
yeah, yeah.
square, right? That's the concept of square number, right? Yeah.
3 times 2? No, no.
3 times
10
2?
times 2. 10 times 2 is a 20. So that means it's
2 times 2? 2
15. 15 times 2. What's 15 times 2?
30 with 2, it's a
Oh, wait.
different number, right? It has to be same number, Bex.
Oh, wait, 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 wait. No, 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 no. 3 times 3, it's 9.
Hmm?
10 times 10 is 100. No, 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 not 10. Okay, so 5. 5 times 5, 25.
Yeah, good.
6 times 6 is 6 times 6. Mm,
Yes. 6 times 6 will be
36.
good. So the alpha will be
6.
6. Is this the only solutions?
No, there's a minus 6.
Good. So there are two possible values, yeah? Okay? So now there is a way to make this solution doesn't just magically uh, have two solutions. There is a way to make this equation doesn't magically appearing at two solutions suddenly gitu ya. So there is an identity in mathematics. Yeah, so remember an identity in mathematics, yeah. If I have two numbers, a and b, yeah. So if I have a squared and then minus b squared, it will always be just the same as a plus b times a minus b. Okay?
Ooh.
Do you want to test it out? If I have a equal to 2, b equal to 3, so we do it from the left side first, yeah? From the left side,
Wait, 2 times 2. 2. So that means a squared is 4. B
4,
squared is 9.
4 minus 9 is equal to
5.
hmm, just 5.
Yeah, 5 plus 4 is 9.
4 minus 9. The minus
4
is
minus
part,
9 is 5 because 5 plus 4 is 9.
so the final answer
Yes, 5.
5.
4
The
minus 9 is
the
5.
negative is much larger from the positive, right, Max? So the answer will be negative, right?
Oh, you're doing that way.
Yeah. So it will
Minus
be
5.
minus 5. Yeah. So from the right side, it will be 4.
It will not be 5. It will be
Ah, let's
4
see. Yeah.
plus 9.
So 4 I'm sorry, 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 3. It will become,
Wait, what? 2 plus 3 and mine 2. What?
because the A is equal to 2, right? So you replaced it with a 2.
No, it's A equals to. Yeah, A equals. Wait, I thought it was A squared plus
Well,
B squared.
in the left side, this is A squared minus B squared. We now do it in the right side. We want to prove if
Okay,
the identity is correct. Okay?
okay. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 minus 3 is minus 1.
Yeah, so it will be equal to,
5 times minus 1. Wait, 5 times minus 1?
yes.
Okay, it will become a minus. So
Yeah.
it's minus 5
It will be just
because
become minus
it
5.
yeah, because it's 5 times 1, but because it's a minus 1 and it becomes a
Yes,
minus.
good. Yeah, good. So you see that the left side and the right side will give us the same number, right? Now, how can we achieve alpha equal to 6 and alpha equal to minus 6 from this identity? So I can subtract both sides with 36 right backs. So alpha squared minus 36 and 36 minus 36. This will become alpha squared minus 36 equal to 0. Okay? Now, can I change 36 to become 6 squared backs?
So minus 36. Oh, wait.
Can I change the 36 to become a 6 squared backs?
6 square, yes.
Yes. Now we have alpha squared minus 6 squared equal to 0, which, by the way, we have the identity that if we have a squared minus b squared, it will become a plus b. So a minus b, right? So
Okay.
I can change it to become,
36 minus. Wait,
what
no,
is
no,
the,
no, 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 no.
now, which one is the a, which one is the b?
6 minus 36.
6 minus 36. Really? Bex? Confident? What is the a, what is the b from this form? Remember,
Okay, so the
the a,
alpha is. Oh, wait, it's 6.
so the a will be alpha, the b is equal to 6, right?
Okay, the alpha was 6, right?
The
6
alpha,
squared?
no, oh, no, it's, we assume that we did not know the solution yet, okay?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
assume we did not have the solution yet. Okay, we didn't know what is the alpha. So, based on this form, this this one can be changed into,
Wait, so it needs to be 36 minus 36.
okay,
What's
again,
something
assume
times
that we do
3?
not have the solution. Again, assume that we did not have the solutions. Let's just pretend alpha to become an alpha. Okay, let's just assume alpha. Let it
Oh,
be
no.
alpha.
Oh, okay. Wait, what? We know that it's. We know that alpha squared is minus 6 squared equals 0, right?
Yes.
So that means.
I want you to change this form to become this form, because we know that this is
How do
similar to
we.
what we have
Wait,
earlier, right?
how do we minus that though? We don't know the numbers.
It's all right. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. I can change it. Let's alpha be alpha. Okay. So this will
Wait,
become,
alpha is 6.
again, assume that we did not have the solutions because we want
I
to find.
know.
This is the method. This is the method on searching solutions. Assume that, for example, if you have a much complicated alpha, yeah, it will hard if you assume that you have the answer because you don't. Gitu loh.
Wait, but you know that it equals to zero. Those two stuff
Yes,
minus,
these two stuff has to equal to zero.
and
You
you need to have the exact same thing minus the exact same thing equal to zero. Like for example,
it doesn't
two
have to be the
minus
same
two.
thing. Ah, that's the problem. Okay, if I use this rule, this alpha squared minus 6 squared will become alpha plus 6 times alpha minus 6. Make sense?
But but how? I know that's how it works. But how do we alpha plus six and all?
What was it?
How do we? I don't. What? How do you alpha plus six when you don't know what the alpha is?
Yeah, this is the way to find the alpha. Okay, let's see ya. From here, okay, from here. Here's the thing, Bex. This is the multiplication, right? This is a multiplications. And this multiplication has to be zero. Assume that we have two terms here. We have the alpha plus 6, we have the alpha minus 6. When when does the multiplication will equal to be zero? When the multiplication will be zero, Bex? When one of their terms is equal to zero, right? Either this one is equal to zero, or either this one is equal to zero, right?
Yes.
Because every number multiplied by zero will be equal to zero. So therefore the solution will be either this one, either alpha plus 6 equal to zero, or alpha minus 6 equal to zero. Therefore, from this, we do the algebra. Alpha is equal to minus 6, or alpha is equal to 6. And therefore, by doing those steps, we are not doing the guessing things in the beginning like we do earlier. In the beginning, we don't know that it has two solutions, right? When
Mm,
you first encounter the problem, you assume
wait
that
a.
it only has one
Oh,
solution, right? In the beginning. But now, by using the identity, we know that it has two solutions by using these logics. This is step by step on doing it. So this is what we call as a quadratic equations. That means
so
that
wait. If there is a quadratic equation, can we? Is the two solution an actual solution? Like
yes,
as I
it
said
is.
before,
It is an actual
so I can
solution.
just put one of those in or both of them
Yes.
in.
Yes, that's why an equation can consist of many solutions. For example, these equations. For this equation only, yeah. But of course, this is what we call as a quadratic equation. When we what we do earlier in this part, this is what we call as a linear equation. Linear like a line. It's like a line, right? Linear is like a line, right? So a line, well, uh, uh, because it is a line, you can assume that it's not really the solution will not encounter each other, gitu. Okay, so it only has one solutions. Now
Okay.
we are in a much more higher equation, which is quadratic equation. There will be a cubic equation. That means it has how many solution, Max?
Three.
Three. Yeah, quadratic equation, quartic. Yeah, quartic is a four solutions. Four solution
I
equation.
thought it was like quad. Quad was four. I thought
Yeah,
because
quad. Oh, I forgot about
yeah,
that. Quadratic. Yeah, this
because
is a
like
quadratic.
quadruple means there are four stuff.
Yeah, maybe this is in Indonesian. I forgot ya. Quartik, samaan linear, persamaan kuadrat. The translation will be quadratic equations. Persamaan cubic equations. Persamaan quartic, ya quartic. The quartic is a four solution. So yeah, it has a lot of variation, yeah. But I think you won't learn it in. You won't learn it until maybe senior high school. Maybe quadratic. Yeah. So yeah, quadratic equation. You might encounter it when you
Wait, does
in
that mean that there's a high possibility that the things that I learned at PYP was supposed to be for MYP?
No, it's only the basic.
no.
Because, like, as he said, there is multiple stuff in MYP, yet my teacher keeps learning, teaching me about the same stuff that I already knew.
Well, because in you're in sixth grade right now, Bex.
Yes?
Yeah, so you still learn about the fundamentals of it. That's why it has to be repeated a lot of times, so that it is attached to your brain, basically. That's why they always repeat it more and more, gitu. But in junior high school or maybe in senior high school, you'll encounter much more informations in one single time. That's why in elementary school you learn about the fundamental first, and then after that you will be taught more with the material in a more comprehensive way. That's why maybe it's an easy question, right? But we don't know for others. Yeah, that's why
Now I want
we
to ask you another question because you
always
brought
go,
up
always go.
something about, learning new stuff when you're a bit more,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
because like multiple grown-ups,
Mm-hmm.
not you
Yeah,
yet,
yeah, yeah. Okay.
but when we are, like, for example, in college or high school maybe,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
uh we are gonna be taught about the I forgot what it was,
Mm,
but
yeah, yeah,
the thing is it had multiple other symbols and
yeah.
it's
Of
not
course,
just
yeah,
algebra.
yeah. You will meet a lot more symbols especially senior high school, especially in college. Yeah, of course. If you chose
And
science tech field.
I want to ask something, like, I know we are taught about that, but are we actually going to use it and how?
Ah, that's a
Because,
classical
like, even
question.
my mom, who is already 30 now, more than
No,
30.
Mac. No. I'm 40.
Oh, huh?
Hah? Kamu pikir mamanya masih muda?
Yeah.
Well,
But even she, after college, doesn't really use the.
doesn't really
Mm,
use this. Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
like, why are we taught about this then? Do
Yeah.
you know,
Here's the thing.
maybe?
Here's the thing. It's a classical question
Supaya
that I
logikanya
always.
nyambung.
It's a classical question that I always receive about mathematics. How far? When will we use this thing in daily life? Well, to be honest, you won't be. You won't be using any of it in daily life. But math is I would say the safest way for a student to learn about logics. To learn about logics. Okay? So you might not will be using this quadratic equation, quartic equations in daily life, but you learn from math how to do problem solving. How do you approach a problems? And that's what will you be what you will be using in daily life. Okay? Especially if you maybe in computer science, yeah. I think that you have some interest in computer science, right? Now, in computer science, oh no, yeah, maybe, yeah. But you asked me a lot about computational thinking earlier. Yeah, basically, yeah. Again, so you will learn a lot about problem solving in the futures, gitu. By using mathematics in the beginning. Maybe if you will uh, concentrate on your staffs on your area of expertise, you learn that mathematics will learn taught you more, taught you a lot about problem solving. I think that's the point in learning mathematics. Okay. Of course, you can learn about problem solvings in other ways. Yeah. But I think uh, if you were to learn about how to do problem solving with numbers, mathematics is a good start. Mathematics is a good start. Of course, of course, problem solving can be learned from other other things. For example, group projects. Yeah, it helps you learn about teamwork. Yeah, it learns how about how to communicate with each other about your projects or maybe something else in general. So that's why in elementary school, yeah, maybe you won't be using it in when you in when you are in your 20 or your 30s, right? But it helps you to learn about your skills in problem solving. I think that's my approach on your problem, on your questions. Happy?
Yes.
Okay. So, I think just learn what you can learn in elementary school because it will help you a lot in the futures. Whatever it is, just do it. Okay, Max. Happy with my answers? It's
Very happy.
very happy. Okay. Did you have anything else that you want to ask?
Not really.
Not really, yeah. Okay, maybe because it's already late, yeah. I think we'll be ending our discussion for today. As usual, I will send you the notes for our discussion today and also the video link. Okay, Bex, yeah. Okay, Bex. Yeah,
Thank
I'm good with sharing.
you.
Thank
Okay.
you. Bye, bye, Bex. See you again in Thursday. Bye, bye. Don't forget, yeah. Okay, bye bye, Max. I'm gonna end this meeting. Bye bye.
Thanks, bye-bye. Ituloy mo na.
Bye bye.